Welcome everyone, I'm Chef Christy and thank you so much for watching today. The recipe that I want to show you today is my pie crust. Now, the trick to making a good pie crust is having all of your ingredients cold, very cold. Like my flour has been in the freezer, my butter and shortening has been in the freezer, I have ice cold water, and that is a trick to making your dough very flaky. So I want to go over how to make it. It's very simple. It's a no-fail recipe. So stay with me and watch this whole video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm uploading new videos each week. So let's get started. Okay, I'm using my food processor today. I just prefer to do that. You can use your hands, but that will sometimes make your butter the warmth of your hands can melt your butter. So I'm just going to add this cold flour. It's 3 cups to my food processor. 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to pulse it a minute. Just a couple pulses. Now I'm going to add my cubed butter. That is cold, it's been in the freezer. You want to move quick doing this. And then I've got some shortening, and I'm just gonna put my shortening in here as well. And again, this has been in the freezer. Just gonna do it a little bit at a time. And pulse. All right, I'm gonna add the rest of my shortening. All right, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, I have pulsed all of my flour and you can see it's kind of crumbly, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put my lid back on and I'm going to add my vinegar and 1 beaten egg as I'm pulsing. Starting to come together, and now I'm just going to add just 1 tablespoon at a time this ice cold water. Gosh, I'm backwards. Let's see if I can do this. All right. And I'm just going to do this until a nice dough forms. I'm so backwards doing this. Alright, we are about there. Let's see. Yeah, that is just about, once you can form a dough, that is good. Alright, so I'll show you what's next. Alright, I lightly floured my board, and so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump this dough right onto my board and work it just a little. Just until it forms a nice dough. Now this recipe makes 2 crusts. So I'm just going to work this just a little till it comes together. Not too much. All right. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, this makes 2 pies, so I'm just going to slice it right in half and then make two balls with this, and then I'm going to place this in saran wrap, and then I'm going to place this into my refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. But the nice thing about this is you can put it in your refrigerator overnight, and you can even freeze it, and then you'll have pie crust. All you have to do is pop it out of your freezer, put it in your refrigerator the morning of, and then you'll have pie crust. So I'm going to place these in the freezer. I meant refrigerator. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make my pie crust. It's super easy and quick, and it is a no-fail recipe, so I hope that you give it a try. And like I said, you can place them in your freezer, and then when you want a pie, you can just pull it out and put it in your refrigerator the morning of, and then there you go. You've got a pie. So, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I had a good time showing you this recipe, and I will see you soon.